Good morning. This is Luke Thomas. I'm here at the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. It is 10:08 in the morning, Thursday, January 27th, 2022. 10:09 in the morning, Thursday, January 27, 2022. And we have an earthquake warning for the California and more specifically northwest of Los Angeles. Let's take a look at what's happened so far. This is the spike in risk right here on the peaks on the 27th, and our warnings is for the 26th, 27th, and 28th, where this 5.0 earthquake or larger is most likely to hit. And the risk is for the 26th, 27th, 28th, but most likely on the 27th, which is today. Here is the risk graph for Los Angeles. And you can see it spiked in risk was on late on the 26th into the 27th. And the overall for California is peaking on the 27th. Now let's take a look at what happened here during the last 24 hours. We got this, actually it was about 4 o'clock this morning. And we got a 3.5, very significant earthquake. Northwest of Los Angeles, exactly where we were forecasting it to hit. 3.5 on the intersection between the Garlock Fault and the San Andreas Fault. A 2.8 hit there, 1.3, 2.6, and 2.3, but the largest was a 3.5. And we expect more activity either in that location, as we had mentioned earlier, or down near the Los Angeles area. Here's the forecast map for the 26th and 27th. And you can see exactly where those earthquakes have been hitting early this morning is where this highest risk is here northwest of Los Angeles. And that's where those quakes have been hitting here northwest of LA. And then the 27th and 28th, that risk continues in the same area, northwest of Los Angeles. And remember, the warning continues through the 28th. However, the most likely time for this quake to occur is on the 27th, right there. And this, you can see here, it peaks at about, we got all these other quakes here on these different peaks. But this risk peaks at about a 5.0. So we're expecting at least a 5.0. That's why this 3.5 doesn't fit the graph totally. I mean, it confirms that risk area in the northwest of LA, but does not confirm the graph yet. So we're waiting for a 5.0 to 6.0, likely northwest of Los Angeles during the next 36 hours or so, today or tomorrow, right on this spike in risk here, right here on the 27th. All right, so we'll keep an eye on that. The risk continues very high in that area, and we will watch that area, stay alert in the area from Los Angeles up to Coalinga, more specifically, right in that area, northwest of Los Angeles. All right, in Greece, the risk is in the far northeast and near Istanbul. 26th and 27th, and 28th and 29th, the risk is in southwest Turkey. And then we have pretty significant risk here in northern Albania on the 29th and 30th. In Alaska, we were mentioning that the risk is south and southwest of Anchorage. We got this 3.7 southwest of Anchorage near Kodiak, right around in this area right here. And now the risk is east of Anchorage, most likely. And we have this spike in risk coming up on the 29th. On the 29th in the Anchorage area. So that should trigger something over here east of Anchorage, maybe near Valdez or Yakutat. But pretty significant spike in risk there on the 29th. Japan, the risk is near Osaka right now, the 28th and 29th. But we have a much more serious situation right here on the 29th into the 30th. where a 5.5 earthquake is likely near Fukushima, northeast of Tokyo, and a 6.0 earthquake is possible. This is a very, very high risk area here near Iwaki and Fukushima and southeast of Sendai, northeast of Tokyo. So looking for a 5.5 earthquake is likely. A 6.0 earthquake is possible with this kind of situation. So looking for a strong earthquake northeast of Tokyo on the 29th or 30th of January. And let's go back to California once more here. Once again, we got these quakes here northwest of Los Angeles early this morning. Those were foreshocks. You can zoom in a little closer here. You can see they hit south of Bakersfield. Let's see. Yeah, south of Bakersfield here, north of Fraser Park. Here's the Garlock Fault. Here's the San Andreas right here. So right on the intersection between the Garlock and the San Andreas. And that's kind of where we expect that earthquake to occur. And you can see the map here, as the map is saying here, and this one here as well. Northwest of Los Angeles, looking for a 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake is likely during the next about 36 hours. So this spike in risk here, the risk is for the day before, the 26th, and the day after, the 28th. But most likely, this 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake is likely to hit on today, the 27th, on that spike in risk there. Okay, so stay safe, everybody. Take one more look here at California. And you can see that's where those quakes are occurring right there, northwest of Los Angeles. And we're going to expect some more earthquakes there today, and a more significant earthquake, a 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake is likely in the area between Coalinga and Los Angeles, most likely right there on the intersection of Garlock Fault and the San Andreas Fault there. But anywhere in California, the risk is, this California risk map is for all of California. So the risk is for all of California. But as you can see, the forecast map here is more specifically northwest of LA, southeast of San Francisco, and then the 27th to 28th, it's very close to Los Angeles, the risk area. All right, thanks again to all the 187,000 followers, and thanks for following and for your support. 17 years of research now, and we're getting better and better at this, and the timing and the location. And we're looking for a strong earthquake, 5.0 to 6.0 earthquake in the area northwest of Los Angeles during the next 36 hours. Also a very significant earthquake, about a 6.0 earthquake is possible near Fukushima, northeast of Tokyo on the 29th and or the 30th. Could hit sooner, but most likely on the 29th or 30th. All right, we'll talk to you either after the earthquake or tomorrow morning. Thank you so much and have a great day.